Figure 1 shows the design for a badge. The badge consists of two congruent triangles, so that means those two triangles are identical, joins to a sector AOB of a circle centre O. We're told and shown that angle AOB is alpha, AO is 3, AOB is 3, and OC is 5. We're told the area of the sector is 7.2 centimetres squared. And we need to show, therefore, that the angle must be 1.6 radians. So area of the sector, I know, is half r squared theta. We know that the r is 3. So it's going to be half times 3 squared times the angle that we don't know. We just know it's alpha. And that equals 7.2. So we have, if I times both sides by 2, and then divide both sides by the 3 squared, I get 1.6. So the angle there must be 1.6 radians. That's part A done. We now need to work out the area and the perimeter of the badge. Now, given that this angle here is 1.6 radians, and I know that angles around a point add up to 2 pi radians, if I do 2 pi take away 1.6, I get 4.683. So that's what those two angles there add up to. So if I divide that by 2, that's going to tell me one of those angles. So this angle is 2.34 radians. I can now work out the area of this triangle using the formula half AB sine C. So half times 3 times 5 times sine 2.34 which gives me an area of 5.388 centimetres squared. But we've got two of these triangles, so I'm going to double that. And then not to forget to add the area of the sector over here as well, which we know is 7.2. So timesing the area of the triangle by 2, I get 10.77 plus the 7.2. So the area of the logo is 17.9769. So two significant figures, that's going to round to 18 centimetres squared. Part II says to work out the perimeter. So all the way around the outside the shape, so I need to work out this length here. I can then double it for this length here. And then I need to work out the arc length as well. And then I can add them together for the perimeter. The arc length is quite easy. I can just use the formula r times theta. So 3 times 1.6, which is 4.8. So this length here is 4.8 centimetres. To work out the length of this side of the triangle, we're going to use the cosine rule. So a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2 times b times c times cos of the angle in between. So that gives 54.866. Then if I square root to work out the actual length, then we get 7.407. which means this is also 7.047, and therefore the perimeter is 2 lots of the 7.407 plus the 4.8, which gives to one decimal place 19.6 centimetres.